Okay. So, like for example, if you have to wear like a long shirts with shalwars, so how would you take it? Like, would you wear it or not
I would wear, but not
comfortably?
continuously.
Okay,
Yes.
because that is not your choice.
Yeah.
That is why.
Yes, ma'am. Actually,
Okay.
that
Yeah. Okay, that is the reason. So, no, in your normal days, what do you wear? Are you a student or a teacher?
student, ma'am. I'm
Okay, you
student.
are. Okay. So, Atika or Atika, I'm sorry. What do you wear like in your normal routine? Oh, shoot, my internet. I'm really sorry, Atika. I'm not getting you. Please. Is, is it really distortion? Atika, I'm really sorry. I'm not getting you. Okay. So, I didn't ask a question from the other one. Atika, are you getting me? Okay, someone ask a question and let me answer her. Ma'am, can you please tell me once again what is perception? Perception means आपका क्या ख्याल है, आपके क्या ख्याल आते हैं किसी चीज के बारे में, उसे perception कहते हैं कि आपकी क्या सोच, आपका क्या ख्याल है. That is perception. I would go for the other one and yes, who is the one? Muqaddas Saqib, please unmute your mic. Muqaddas Saqib.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Muqaddas. Okay, Muqaddas, tell me like what kind of dresses you like to wear?
Ma'am, I like to wear capri shirts.
Okay. Capri and shirts, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I thought there is another fashion and I'm not like
Ma'am,
aware of
shirts
that.
मतलब कमीज नॉर्मल जो
I
shirts होती
know.
है.
Okay. I haven't come from jungle. Muqaddas. मैम shirts जो कमीज होती हैं. Okay.
मुझे
Muqaddas,
लगा दूसरी शर्ट समझ रही है.
नहीं मैं कुछ नहीं समझ रही है, मैं वही समझ रही हूँ जो आप मुझे बता रही हैं. Okay. So, Muqaddas, tell me like what is your perception about fashion?
In which we are comfortable
Okay. And
and what it sets मतलब जो हम पे सूट करे, सेट रहे, हम जिसमें कंफर्टेबल हो फैशन.
okay, so you prefer like for example, if I have given you a dress, though I'm not going to give you, but I'm just saying this thing that if I'm going to give you a dress and you like the colors but you didn't like the style, would you wear it or not?
um, I wear it.
Why? Why do you wear that? This is a simple answer. Muqaddas, please say, why will you wear that? Muqaddas,
Yes, ma'am.
Muqaddas, why wear that dress?
हम समझ नहीं आ रही इसका क्या आंसर दूं.
Okay. हाँ मतलब देखो तुम क्यों पहनोगे, अगर तुम मुझे कोई ड्रेस देती हो, मुझे उसका कलर अच्छा लगता है लेकिन उसका स्टाइल पसंद नहीं आता, मैं ठीक है तुम्हें दिखाने के लिए 10 मिनट के लिए पहन लूंगी बिकॉज तुमने मुझे दिया, बिकॉज यू आर इम्पोर्टेंट टू मी। मेरा तो ये आंसर है। नाउ व्हाट इज योर्स, क्यों पहनोगी तुम?
मतलब माइंड में तो मेरे भी यही आंसर आ रहा था।
देन से ना। Okay, you will wear because I have given you that dress.
Yes, ma'am.
I know, but now say it, repeat it. You will wear because I have given you. Repeat it now. Hmm.
I will wear because you
Yes.
are giving me.
Uh-huh. Exactly. Zabardast. Perfect. That's what I actually wanted to listen. Otherwise, I'm not going to give you. Please stop dreaming. Okay, Muqaddas. Tell me a question which you want to ask from the other person. So I would ask in your behalf. Yeah, on your behalf, actually. Any question which is in your mind.
मैम क्वेश्चन तो कोई नहीं है मेरे माइंड।
कोई भी क्वेश्चन जो तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि you want to know कि भाई दूसरा पर्सन अब इसके बारे में क्या कहता है, so you can ask.
नो मैम मेरे माइंड में नहीं आ रहा
Okay,
कि
not relevant to fashion. Any random question, any random question. Okay, please. Kadar, please don't think too much. How would you take the serious decisions of your life if you think too much?
हमको कोई आ ही नहीं रहा माइंड में।
Just like it can be random question. Like if I were in your place, I was like, "ठीक है, ma'am. Please ask from the other person what did she eat at lunchtime." There is no relevancy with the topic, but the point is that you know like how to question. So please tell me any question which is in your mind. I can ask from the other person. Hurry up. Yes, please.
हम नहीं आ रहा माइंड में।
Muqaddas, you should be thankful you are not Simran. Otherwise, Raj तो दुनिया के कोने में पहुंच चुका था जितने में तुमने उसको आंसर करना था. Okay. So I will go for the other person. Javeria Munir, please. Javeria Munir, please unmute your mic. Javeria Munir.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम।
Walaikum Assalam, Javeria. So Javeria, tell me your perception about fashion.
Then
Exactly. Javeria,
means
I want
what is
answer.
fashion or
Okay.
means
actually,
what is
okay.
fashion? You know
Let me explain my question.
what you want to ask.
Okay, that's really good. Okay, what I want to ask is, what is your perception? What do you think about fashion? Like, what do you think that fashion is this, fashion is that?
Fashion is according to King good,
Okay.
being
And
fabulous,
okay.
decent in manners,
Okay, in a decent manner, graceful.
according to our ethics.
Okay, according to your ethics. So, Javiria. So, Javiria, what do you like to wear in dresses? What do you like to wear?
I like to wear simple shalwar kameez.
Simple shalwar kameez. So, you prefer? Why
So,
do you like simple shalwar kameez?
because I feel comfortable. I have little kids, and I
Okay.
have a lot of household activities.
Okay. Okay. Being
So
a
I
mother, it is really comfort to wear shalwar kameez.
yeah,
Okay, that
yes,
is
ma'am.
really good. Okay, good answer, Javeria. Okay, Javeria, do you have any question for the other person whom I'm going to take? Any question? Please think about the questions. Yes, Javeria, please. Any question?
Any question relevant to?
I'm not asking for relevancy. Just forget relevancy. Just
Means
anything. Anything you can ask from the other person. You want to ask from the other person. I would ask, but please tell me. Any question? Okay, relevant to fashion. Okay, Javeria, any question?
no, ma'am.
Okay, the point. Okay, Javeria, thank you so much.
According to
Okay,
fashion,
yes.
ma'am, I would ask to about cooking, baking.
Okay. Actually, you can ask, but actually I hate to cook and bake. So, but I can ask like from the other person. Alhamdulillah, you are not. That's not my turn, and you are not asking for me. So please, what do you want to know?
मैम इंग्लिश में क्या उर्दू इंग्लिश मिक्स बोल सकती हूँ.
Okay, you can.
I want to ask about the pizza dough, how the pizza dough is soft, spongy, super soft. When I bake, the dough is very hard. If something having idea or experience about the baking.
Okay, thank you so much, Javeria. That is really a